Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Dan. I'm back again with another video. It's my second video. Pretty much, I just want to go over the little trade that I took last night. It was a loser, but I'm proud that I didn't snowball it into a bigger loss. Uh, so I'm still working on that combine I showed in the first video. I kind of hate trying to pass combines, especially towards the end because you're trying to just meet a dollar amount. So at least I noticed for me, once I get close, I just want the I just want to reach the dollar amount so I can pass, and I'm not necessarily looking for the best trades, the best setups, especially when I get close. So anyway, kind of what happened to me yesterday. I'm kind of messing. Before I get into that, I'm kind of messing. I watched the first video. I'm kind of messing around with. I noticed when I was showing things, the screen wasn't quite capturing everything. I didn't quite know how I liked the camera on the bottom, so I'm gonna try it on the top today. And overall, I'm gonna start working on the quality of these videos. But like I said, I want to just start pumping them out and getting them out the way. And the best way to get better at anything is to just keep doing it and improving little by little over time. So, with that being said, pretty much going into this day, when the market opened, I was looking, like I said yesterday, I was looking to fill this gap that we have left right here. That was a trade that I was going for. So when the market opened and I saw we took this pullback, I immediately wanted to jump into a long right off rip, which would have worked out pretty well, over 100 something points. I wanted to target this high, and then obviously the gap. But what ended up happening, I got busy for the day. I had to do a job, and I missed it. But when I got back to the charts, I saw we were approaching this high, and I was waiting around pretty much. And I do remember for some reason 650 was like around 650. Yeah, was a level I was looking at. And once we printed this long signal and we had it rejected this 650 level, I entered right there originally. And I took it up to this top and I made some good money. I made like 40, 50 points, something like that, $400 or $500. I only used 5 MNQ at a time. And I was up. Actually, I'm lying. What happened was I entered that on a wealth charts for Apex. Um, I got that one for free. I don't really care. I just like to take that. I like taking trades on that one when I'm not too confident in my trades, just to see how it will work out. So what ended up happening is once I made that run up on my Top Step account, we were about this level up in here, and I was like, damn, it looks like it's gonna break this high, and we're gonna run up to this gap. So me being impatient and me wanting to hurry up and make, I think I needed about $200 or $250. I entered a long somewhere I think at 680. Yeah, somewhere up here. And I was like, once we get this breakout past 700, it's gonna fly. It didn't fly. And basically, I was in drawdown for a minute, and then I think, I just closed it somewhere around here once it started going down into the 40s or even lower. I don't even, honestly, I don't even remember what I did. Just a bonehead play. I had no plan going into it. I just knew I wanted to take longs because I was looking to close this gap. I had no confirmations. Like I said, with these combines, I just want to hurry up and pass so then I can get my Express account and start trading smarter. But why not start right now? Trading smarter. So that's the only thing I am proud of today. So let me pull up my account. So yeah, I'm down about 343 for the day. I'm sitting at 52,404. So damn, it's shooting right now. But pretty much, if we look at my stats, I mean, I'm still up for the week. I had a pretty good week. So today was a losing day. So I can say the only thing that I'm proud of today is that I'm just taking this loss, gonna call it a day, and get back at it. Hopefully, when the market opens back up in the next couple, well, it's still open now, but once it closes and open back up. yeah, I guess old me, I mean, I still wanted to do it, but I didn't want to lose. So I would have kept trading to make back that $340 to be at least back at zero, or to try and make my profit. And usually when I do that, I blow the account. You know what I mean? So I'm kind of proud of myself today. I just said I'm gonna take an L. I'm gonna have a red day on the calendar, and you can't win every day. And even when I've had my Express accounts, I feel that that's like my biggest problem to date. Because like I explained to you guys before, I have been able to get 2 Express accounts. I think I've had 4, at least with Top Step, and then on Apex I've had a couple because it's one day pass. I'm not. I just long one or short one and hope that it hits. You know what I mean? But actually trading, I've had 4. Um, so yeah, I've done this before where I've gotten close and just blown the whole account. Just blown the whole account because I didn't want to have a losing day. So that's where I was going with this, that even on my Express accounts that I've had the same problem where I just couldn't take a losing day. Had I just taken a losing day for $200, $300, $400, whatever it was on the day, it doesn't matter because I would still be up for the week. Like I noticed on my last account, I was up $900. I had 3 winning days or 4 winning days. I think it was 3 winning days, and I was up $900. I just needed 2 more for a payout. Although I wouldn't have taken it, I wanted to build the account up a little bit. But point is, I just needed 2 more days. Like in my head, I was just thinking 2 more days payout. I was thinking of the money. And once I had a losing day and I saw my account was back down to like $600 or something, 550, $600, I was like, nah, I can't have that. Like I can't do that. Blew the whole account in one day, trying to make that back. And it sucks because with the Express, once you pay the 150, you have the account. Like you could take your time. You don't have to pay for another combine. There's no monthly fee. All of that. So just recognizing that in myself, that that's why I'm proud of today. I'm just gonna take this loss. Like I said, I'm still sitting at 2,400 in profit this week. Like that's somebody's whole paycheck for the month. I made that in a week. So I'm trying to think of it that way. Even though I had a loss, I'm still up. And although I need 3,000 to pass the account, I'm still close. Like I'm still close. I could have one more good day. I could have another $600 day. Even another day like that's fine. So that's all. I'm just trying to stay disciplined and consistent. I think that's my biggest problem with trading so far. And obviously, like I told you in the first video, not having a super refined strategy because I feel like that would have saved me today. Also, but anyway, that's kind of what I did last night, just explaining it off these charts. I literally was just looking to fill this gap. I'm still looking to fill this gap, so I'm kind of glad it's pushing right now. I'm done trading, so I'm probably going to miss it. Hopefully not. But yeah, I was just, once I saw it, we ran up to these highs. I was like, once it broke, I was like, we're gonna go. And of course, it didn't go. We dropped all the way down, and I took my loss. I got out. I'm pretty sure I got in somewhere in this candle. I mean, this is the hourly, so I was trading on the 15-minute chart. So I'm pretty sure I got in somewhere. I remember my entry was 680 after it came down, because I was like, once it comes down, it's going to shoot back up. It's around, I couldn't tell you. I didn't have a plan. I was just being greedy, and I had one thing in mind: fill that gap. So point is, once it came down somewhere in here, I just cut the trade. I will hit my stop loss, cut the trade, and called it a day. Good thing I did. Although we did go up to 750, we still didn't fill the gap. We got close, but look at this huge downward candle, insane. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a quicker video about what happened. Showed you show my progress for the day. So quick recap is, I guess, the positives were I managed my risk a little bit better. I saved my account. I didn't blow it in one day. I took a loss. I'm learning to take a loss because you can't just win every single day. I'm still up $2,400 this week with one more day to trade. Um, yeah, so I'm happy with that as a positive, and I guess the negatives would simply just be that I had no routine, no strategy going into this besides the money. I was thinking of the money. How can I make a quick $200 or whatever I needed, like 250, whatever it was, so I could pass this account already. And that just goes kind of into discipline, not being disciplined, and still not having a specific strategy that I'm just refined and waiting for that criteria only to enter a trade. So with that, I'm gonna make this a shorter one today, hopefully, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully have better news. See you guys tomorrow.